All right, sometimes ILGM builds modules and then we save them in the Divi library so they can be reused in other areas later. And I'm going to go and show you how to edit those so you can change the information. So the first thing we're going to do is change the address in the header. So we'll come over to the dashboard. We'll jump over here to Divi. We'll go to Divi Library. And we'll go to page header. This is the right hand side, so we'll click on edit. And here's your address. So we'll go ahead and change this address. Highlight that and hit save. Go ahead and hit update. We'll come back down here. Go back to the list. Now we'll come down to the global footer. This is where your form's going to be. So we'll change the address in here. It's going to be inside this text area. So we'll paste this right in here. Go ahead and hit update. You can select update in list, and this will automatically take you back to the list. And now we're going to go change the map. So that's going to be right here. So we'll click inside here. Go ahead and add in your address and tell it to find it. This is what it's going to display down below. And right now there's not a marker on it because that marker is up here. So let's go ahead and edit the marker. Here's our address. We're going to go ahead and paste it in here. Come down here. This is where the actual address in the map is going to display. This is what shows up when they click on the details on the icon itself right down here. So we'll tell it to find it. So it found that new address, that new marker. If you need to move it, you can click on it and drag it to wherever you want, and it'll update the map for you. So we'll hit save. That should update there's where we can see it. You can set the different views if you want to zoom in a little bit more or zoom out. I like it so that it's going to show major highways and major roads on the initial preview. And we'll go ahead and hit save and update. Update and list. And we'll go back to the front and make sure that everything has changed. So it updated up here on top. We'll scroll down to the bottom. We've updated down here. Here's our new map down here and our new marker in the right location.